A clay pigeon is fired into the air. The graph below shows its height above the ground, plotted against the time after firing. Height is in meters, time is in seconds. Here's my clay pigeon's arc, time, and height above the ground. What is the greatest height reached by the clay pigeon? Well, that's nice and straightforward. The maximum it gets to is 25 meters. 25 meters, nearly everyone got that one correct. What is the average speed of the clay pigeon for the first 4 seconds after firing? Well, the average speed would be the straight line sort of distance here. So it's gone up to 24 meters, and it's done that in 4 seconds. So it's 24 divided by my 4 seconds, which gives me 6 meters per second. That's my average speed, 6 meters per second. And then I'm just left with 23C. And 23C asks me, by joining the points on the graph where t equals 2 and t equals 5 with a straight line, work out the average rate of change of height between 2 and 5 seconds. It's quite wordy, but all it's saying is, you know, how much is it changing by per second on average between 2 and 5 seconds. So I'm going to just follow its instructions. It's asked me to join up points on the graph where t equals 2 and t equals 5 with a straight line. So here we go. T equals 2 is here, and when t equals 5 is here. I'm going to join that up with a straight line. So what is my average rate of change? Well, between 2 and 5 seconds. Well, my average rate of change is, it's going, the difference between my speed after 2 seconds, which is 16, and my speed after 5 seconds, which is, sorry, my height after 2 seconds, which is 16, and my height after 5 seconds, which is 25. The difference there is 9. Difference of 9. Yeah. But the average change, on average, the change is 3 meters for each second. We can see that. For each 1 second, 3 meters. For each 1 second, 3 meters. In 9 seconds, sorry, in 9 meters divided by my 3 seconds. Okay, so it is 3 meters for each second. That's my, that's my average change, is 3 meters for each second.